Hello. So today we're going to be looking at 5 reasons, good reasons, why you should create an online course. My name is Chokoro. I am a digital marketing coach. So today we'll be looking at 5 reasons why you, as an online entrepreneur, should create a course. So if you have been online, you are an affiliate marketer, you are someone who has been doing a lot of things online to make a living. Maybe you're into e-commerce, meaning importation, and you have gained some experience, but you're not confident, or you do not see any reasons, or you don't feel that you have what it takes to create a course. In this video, I'm going to give you the reasons. In fact, 5 of them. There are actually more than 5 reasons why you should create a course. You see, everyone is an expert at something, whether you believe it or not. There is something you know how to do better than most people. Unfortunately, many people simply do not believe that even though they are better at some things, that they can package it and sell it in exchange for money. That's a fact. A lot of people do not believe that, but that is the truth. Many people will be willing to pay for that special skill that you have, for that special knowledge that you have in your head, even though your immediate friends or your immediate social networks may not believe in you. And this knowledge or skill can be packaged into an online course. And that is why an online course is a packaged information product that teaches step by step what you know in your head. And this knowledge can help any other person solve a problem. That should be the focus of any course you are creating. It should be a solution to a problem, because what people are looking for online is solution. When people come online to search the internet, to use search engines like Google, YouTube, and the rest of them, most of them are looking for information that will help them to solve a problem. So when you're creating a course, it should be something that solves people's problem. So if you work in any industry at all, whether you are in education, whether you are in the health industry, fashion, technology, the sciences, media, or whatever industry you belong to, and you have some knowledge, you have some skills, you can actually produce a course from that skill to monetize it and make a living, because every single industry have a department that has a problem that many people are actively looking for a solution to. And this is where you come in. If you have a solution to a problem and you don't know how to make it or convert it to money, an online course is something that will help you to do that. And this is one reason you should create an online course. So if you can provide solutions with your course, as it should be, then you can succeed and on a larger scale with your online course. So we're going to be looking at 5 more reasons why you should consider creating an online course for yourself. Now let's look at the first one. The first reason is for the purpose of passive income. A lot of people need more money to take care of the bills every month, because the bills must be paid every single month. So passive income is one reason why you should create an online course. Okay? And you can make passive income if you have an online course out there. So if you create an online course and you publish it on affiliate platforms, and at the same time you promote it while the one you publish on affiliate platform is selling via affiliate, you will notice that you will continue to get sales notification emails from your course, whether it is the one coming from the affiliate platform you listed it, or from the one you get from the effort you make to promote and sell your course. At some point, you see that the sales comes in without you doing much, especially if it's on an affiliate platform. So additionally, if you build a social media following for your course, a huge social media following for your course, and you create a good sales funnel for it, the same thing will happen on complete autopilot. And that is why it is called true passive income. Passive income is money you make without putting in much effort. When you create a course, you do the work once, and the course will continue to make you money as long as you subject it to traffic. And this passive income could generate you multiple 6 or 7 figure every single month, depending on the nature of that course and the volume of people that this your course is helping to solve their problem. You can make 6 or 7 figure every month, like myself and many others who have the guts to create an online course and put it online for sale. And this is one reason why online course is seen as a true passive income potential product. Potential in the sense that not all these courses you put out there will sell. There are courses that you will put out there that will sell like gangbusters. Okay. And in my other videos, you should watch out what you need to do to create a course that sells. Look for the video or at the end of this presentation. Okay, so that is the first reason. The second reason is your online course is an avenue for maximum profit for you because you are putting in minimal investment creating it. Okay, so you are creating an online course because you enjoy maximum profit with minimal investment. To create an online course, all you need to do is find time to create it. Of course, you cannot create it if you don't have the skills. You need to have some skills or some experience to make it happen. Additionally, you will need to purchase some good tools for recording and editing your content as well as putting it online. You also need to get a website where you will host your products, your sales page, and other things that you need to put it online. These are the only investment you make to create your course and the fact to make it successful. However, once your course is out there, it has the potential to return you maximum profits and reward you abundantly for the time, for the effort, and for the resources you invested to create it. Minimal investment because what you need is a one-time commitment of time, effort, and resources. Maximum profit because it will continue to pay you for a very long time. In fact, for many years. In fact, some of my courses have been paying me for the past 5 years. And that is why it is good to create an online course. When you create an online course, you'll be getting the type of money you see in the image before you at your left hand side. This is maximum profit, minimal investment. The third reason why you should create an online course is because it is going to position you as an expert. Yes, you may not be an expert before you start your course, but after you create it and put it out there, people will now see you as an expert. In fact, what is stopping people is because many people believe that they need to be an expert before they can create a course. You don't need to be an expert before you could create an online course. Take note that if you have this assumption is totally wrong. In fact, a total novice who understands a particular concept or who have a skill, any skill at all, or who have an experience can create a better course than most experts in that field. Because a course is just an expression of what you know and how you can do that thing better. And it is a part of an entire body of knowledge. So it does not make your experience or knowledge less relevant. Instead, it's a part of the whole body of knowledge that even an expert can learn from you. because every day we keep learning. When you put this knowledge or skill you have into a course, you are automatically perceived by your customers as an expert in that field. That is a fact, whether you like it or not. And once you are perceived as an expert already, more doors of income opportunity opens up for you. All of this is because you made an attempt to create an online course. So this is another reason why you should create an online course, because it positions you as the expert, as the person to look up to when it comes to your subject matter. Okay, now let's look at the fourth reason. The fourth reason is that creating an online course gives you ability to manage online community. It allows you to serve an online community. One of the best ways to serve people online is via online course creation. With your online course on sale and people purchasing it every day, you will eventually create a community of people that you are serving. And this is because you created a course in the first place. This community of people will become your fan. Some of them will become your friend. If you treat them well, and if your course deliver on its promises, a lot of them will remain loyal to you for a very long time. And this is your online community. And this online community offers you the maximum leverage to give support to your customers. And it allows for interaction among members of the same group or the same community to network with each other and get results using your product. In fact, this community that you have offered your service via your online course will be the same community you run to whenever you need reviews, whenever you need testimonials, whenever you need case studies. They will respond to you. And of course, you know that once you get more reviews, more testimonials, more case studies from your online community, and you put it on your sales page or on your sales materials, it is going to skyrocket the sales of your course incredibly. So this is the fourth reason why you should create an online course. It will afford you the opportunity of having an online community of service. And the fifth reason why you should create an online course is simply because making an online course is simple. Take note, I said simple. It's not easy, but it's simple. It's a simple plan. Course creation is a simple thing you can do if you understand the concept very well. How easy it becomes for you to create one depends on your ability to assemble your knowledge in a way that gets results for your students. And that is why we say it is simple. And this is where you need the help of a coach who will help you to identify your talents or skills, who will help you to find out if the topic you are preparing to create a course on is profitable, and show you what you need to do to create it, launch it, and market it. It's a simple process. And this is the reason why I have created a free 6 days video training on everything you need to know about course creation from start to finish. So if you are contemplating creating an online course because of the 5 reasons I just mentioned, this is an opportunity for you to learn everything you need to know about course creation. And that is why I'm inviting you to enroll in a 6 days free video training and start your journey to creating a course that will finally change your financial narratives. The image on your left hand side is the image of the landing page of the 6 days free video training that you're about to access. Below this video, you are going to find a link to this page that you are seeing at your left hand side. This page will take you into a funnel that will deliver every day for the next 6 days video training that teaches you how you can create your course from start to finish. So if you're interested, go to the link below this video and claim your own copy of this 6 days free video training on how to create a course and launch it. If you enjoyed this video, why not leave us a comment and share and like it. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in the next video. Goodbye.